Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to animate text or apply wave modifier on text. Let's start. Delete the cube. From Add menu, select Text. Convert to edit mode. Write any text. Return to object mode. Rotate the text 90 degrees around x-axis. Select text data. And from geometry, change the extrude value to 0.05. And under bevel, change the depth value 0.01 and the resolution to 0. Go to Object menu and from Convert, select Mesh. Change the view to wireframe view. We found that we have bad text topology. Change the view to solid view. Go to Add Modifier and from Generate, select Remesh. Go to Smooth. Unselect the Remove Disconnected. Change the octree value to a value which gives you good resolution. In our case 10, select Smooth Shading. Change the view to wireframe view. We found that we have good text topology. Go to Object menu, and from Set Origin, select Origin to Geometry. Go to Object menu again, and from Snap, select Selection to Cursor. Go to Object menu again, and from Apply, select All Transforms. Go to Add Modifier, and from Deform, select Wave Modifier. Play the animation. The text animation is not good. From time, change the offset value to 10. And change the speed value to 0.1. Change the width to 4 and the height to 1.5. Unselect the cyclic to stop repeating the animation. When we play the animation, we found that the animation started from the middle of the text and we want it to start from the first alphabet. So go to Add menu. And from Empty, select Plane Axis to add plane axis. Move the plane axis to the left at the starting point of the text. Select the text. And from Start Position and from Object, select Empty. And play the animation. We found that the animation started from the starting point of the text. To repeat the animation, change the final frame value to 100. Play the animation. That is all. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.